Hi, my name is Lennon and this is my camera. With my camera around my neck, I suddenly become a person with a purpose. It's an acutely pleasurable sensation for me. I like to watch, I like to listen. I eavesdrop with my eyes and ears, and if I'm lucky, I catch a bit of beauty here and there with my lens. My camera allows me to be part observer, part participant. It does the talking for me without saying a word. I have always loved faces and places. As a child, I spent hours locked in my room drawing portraits of people and places that only I could see. As an adult, I reach less for pencil and far more for camera. The camera is a magic pass, giving my introvert self access to faces and their respective souls. Being still is my introvert superpower. Stillness and patience pay off behind my lens. The camera grounds me in place and time, and for that, I am grateful. Behind the camera, I remember to breathe. I remember it takes quiet to hear, and it also takes quiet to see.